A true time capsule has surfaced in the automotive world. A 1990 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z with the rare 1LE package, and it's got a surprising story. This isn't just any Camaro, it's a car that has spent over 30 years in a basement, tucked away and forgotten. Now it's making its grand debut, ready to find a new owner, and it's unlike anything we've ever seen before. This Camaro, painted in a striking bright blue metallic color with a gray cloth interior, has traveled a mere 6 miles. Yes, you read that correctly. Just 6 miles on the clock, making it possibly the lowest mileage third-generation Camaro still in existence. It's a classic example of how some vehicles can be preserved in time, untouched and in pristine condition, waiting for the day they can shine again. The car, which was never driven or registered during its 35 years in storage, is part of a limited run of Camaros built in 1990. It's equipped with the ultra-rare 1LE package, which was a performance upgrade that included a range of enhancements, making this model even more special. Only 62 Camaros were sold with the 1LE package that year, making it one of the rarest muscle cars from that era. The package included heavy-duty shocks, Corvette-sourced front disc brakes, an aluminum drive shaft, and an upgraded engine oil cooler. The 1990 IROC-Z Camaro was the top-tier model in the third-generation lineup, and the 1LE package took it a step further, removing the air conditioning, radio, and fog lamps for a more track-focused driving experience. Despite its stripped-back nature, the 1LE was packed with performance features, including a powerful 350 cubic inch VE8 twin-port injection engine with 245 horsepower. This was the most powerful engine available in the 1990 Camaro lineup. What's even more fascinating about this find is the fact that it has never been driven. The original engine is still under the hood, coupled with the 4-speed automatic transmission, and the Camaro sits on its original 15-inch aluminum wheels with Goodyear Eagle tires. The car even retains the factory details, including the original build sheet, letters between the first owner and dealer, and the window sticker. These documents add to its allure as a well-documented, highly collectible piece of history. The Camaro was recently rescued from its long-term entrapment by Jeff Makovich, a Camaro enthusiast who couldn't resist the chance to own such a rare gem. After purchasing it from the original owner's family, Jeff and his team meticulously restored the car to its original glory. It has since been professionally detailed and is now ready to be auctioned off at Mecum's 25 Kissimmee event in Florida, scheduled for January 18th. The Camaro's rarity, low mileage, and remarkable history make it a once-in-a-lifetime find for any collector. But what will the bidding look like? It's anyone's guess. With such a special car, it's sure to attract attention and fetch a high price. Whether the car will be driven or preserved remains to be seen. But one thing is for sure, this 1990 Chevrolet Camaro 1LE is a collector's dream come true.